Yesterday we were working on this wheel when the welder quit, and I pulled it up and moved it over here and plugged it into a different plug-in. It started working, so I'm guessing it just didn't have a good connection to the plug-in. So I will continue onward. This is where the rusted out hole used to be. That's some pretty ugly welds there, but I've run out of welder gas and I don't want to stop, so I'm going to keep going until I finish that. And then what we're going to do is grind that down, spin it over, and drill a new valve stem hole on the other side of the wheel. So I'll keep welding away on that, and we'll just move right along here. Oh joy. I think I'm going to put a little bit of putty inside where the weld is and on the outside to keep water from sitting inside the weld on the outside and rusting more, and to keep the tube, basically all the putty will do is seal it but keep the tube from, you know, rubbing up against the rough edges of where the welds are, if there are any rough edges. Trying to think what I have that would work good for that. Probably some kind of caulking, and or if I had any more of that rubberized paint, that would work too. Just something to, and I may have some of that in a spray form here that I could use for that. Let me go look. Able to find the place down here that sells gas for the welder. Got me a couple tanks right there. I think my welding is probably not too bad here. I'm going to take the grinder and grind off a lot of this paint stuff because I might want to touch up the weld, and I may want to do some weld on the inside where the hole was too. So I'm going to use this wire brush right here to grind that a little bit, look at it some more, and think about it, I guess. I'll make sure I got a good weld, because it's too hard to get that tire off to ever have to do it again. I don't like this brush because it swings stuff out. It's eyeballs. Maybe I've used it enough to do what I'm trying to do here. Not getting any trouble. By the way, I hope y'all are having a good day today. I am. The weather is fine. We're talking about it's supposed to snow this weekend. Right now, unbelievably beautiful. Sure is. I might try doing some welding on the back side of that. Yeah, I think I will. I don't want to change the angle. That'll give me a chance to go ahead and hook my bottles up too. Gas bottles for the welder. Oh yeah, we got some pressure there now, boy. Turn this down. Well, I had power. No, I don't. Why? Well, maybe it is something to do with the welder. You know, it stopped working yesterday. I moved it to that plug this morning. It started working. Now it stopped working again. Maybe it's just time to break out the new welder. Maybe. YouTubers, I'm gonna walk away from this wheel. Bobby came over and I went to run my little Lincoln welder. I think I told you, yesterday it quit. Well, I took it over here and I plugged it right into that plug-in and it started. So I brought it back over here. I welded inside of this wheel. And then I flipped it over, I was gonna weld the other side and it wouldn't work again. So I'm guessing it had some dirt inside of it from where it got submerged in the river. So we went ahead and hooked up this new Hobart and we got it over here, and I finished the welding, and it gave me a chance to practice on it and figure out what was the best wire speed to use and temperature and all that. And pretty ugly weld I did inside that wheel, but that's what they make grinders for. And I just gave the old one to Bobby. It done quit on me a couple times, and I thought, well, he could mess with that, and then he'd have a nice welder. So now I kind of got a mess in here that needs to be cleaned up. So I think that's what I'll spend the rest of the day doing, is just cleaning up the mess here. And I'll bring that wheel and that tractor tire inside so when it rains it won't fill up with water. And he's supposed to get his tube in about a week. He ordered one, so as soon as he gets his tube and everything, we'll come back and drill a new valve stem hole on the other side of that wheel and put that tube on that tire and maybe tow it over to his house. That'll be fun. Okay then. Love y'all, by the way. I love y'all, whether you like it or not. So if you don't like it, just get over it. Bye.